Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. Freezing columns keeps important information visible while you scroll through your spreadsheet, making it much easier to work with large sets of data. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type sheets.new and press Enter to open a new Google Sheets spreadsheet. Next, open the spreadsheet where you want to freeze one or more columns. To freeze the first column, click the View menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, hover over Freeze, then select one column. The first column will now remain visible as you scroll horizontally across your spreadsheet. If you want to freeze more than one column, click View, hover over Freeze, and choose two columns, or select Up to Current Column after highlighting the column you want to freeze. You can also freeze columns by dragging the gray freeze bar located in the top left corner of the sheet. Simply drag it to the right until it reaches the column you want to keep visible. To unfreeze your columns, click View, hover over Freeze, and select No Columns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.